Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here. Today we're going to be doing another quick review video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. This is what she looks like here. I'm going to be doing a full day's wear test to let you guys know if this does work on oily skin, how the coverage is, because normally we do foundation, like liquid or cream and then powder, but this powder states that it is like you could use it any way you want. So you can wear it alone, or you could put it over foundation, or all that good jazz. So let's just jump right into all the nitty-gritty details about this foundation powder here. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Okay, so first and foremost, this is the foundation. It's the Born This Way collection. So they recently expanded these shades, and I think that they now have 25 shades in the powder, if I'm not mistaken. This does retail for $37, but I got mine on sale because I got it from the Sephora sale, so woohoo, 20% off. I did buy it in the shade Chai because I think that that's my shade, and I think my powder had a little bit of roughage along the way because there's like some stains all over the box. But this does say that it's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. And some more claims on this box. It says immediately after using, 96% said this formula felt comfortable on the skin, and after using for 1 week, 95% said this formula helped control shine, said this formula provided natural coverage, and 91% said this formula made their skin look smoother. That's a lot of claims, guys. A lot of claims. So we're going to put this powder to the test. I mean, I've worn powder foundations before, but like, I don't know, it's been a while since I've done that. That used to be kind of like an undergrad high school thing, not my glam girl self. But I'm going to go in with this Fenty mattifying primer. This one here. I really haven't done a wear test on this primer either, so I guess it's kind of included in today's look. But this primer, the thing I like about it is it doesn't really feel like mattifying. It still kind of feels hydrating, but I guess like it's supposed to be mattifying. And then to like help our pores along, I am going to be going in with a little bit of my Farsali Skin Tune Blur just on my cheek area because that's where my pores are the biggest. Just jumping into the foundation, this is what it looks like. It has a little plastic thing over it, and like they stamped Born This Way into the powder. It does have a mirror, which is very nice, and then it has like a little powder puff thingy at the bottom of it. I am going to try to do half of my face with this and half of my face with like a foundation brush, just because typically I would use a foundation brush, but since they send the little puff, we may as well try it and see what happens. So let's do this side of my face with the brush and then the other side with the puff. I hope this is my shade. Once again, I did get the shade Chai. I got this one because that's what Jackie Aina is, and normally we're kind of like a decent match for each other. I was between this shade and Spiced Rum. So let's see what happens. I hope this works, but Spiced Rum looked like it was going to be a little too rosy for me, and that I'm not sure if it even oxidizes, so that's why. Oh, okay, so first dip. Definitely picks up on the brush. I am stamping this into my face since it's a powder, and I'm not really sure, like, you know, how well it would apply any other way. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like after one layer. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference. Let me try to zoom you in a little. So this is the side with foundation, and then this is the one without. I mean, I think I have coverage, but I'm not like blown away. Let's try a second layer to see what happens. Yeah, this definitely looks good. The shade is a good match, thank God. I was so nervous. I think this might be more of like a, if you use it alone, it's more of like a powder that's for a girl on the go. You know, you wake up in the morning, you just want to like make your skin look nice but not like full coverage beat. I think this might be for you, and for me that might be a good thing, because sometimes like I don't want to go all out and wear like foundation and all that jazz, but I do want a little bit of coverage. And so I also have hard times finding BB and CC creams because they don't make them for us. So I kind of like this. I'm liking this. It's like there but not there. It definitely looks like it's just my skin but better. So let's go in with this puff. I actually think the puff might give us more coverage. Just in my experiences with powders, the puffs are usually a little bit more intense. And yeah, I was right. The puff gives you more coverage, but I don't like the way it applies. We're gonna go over that with a brush for sure. Yeah, I don't like this. It's like disgusting, and it's like picked up a bunch of things off my face. We're not gonna do that. Back to the brush we go. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like. Again, my skin but better. Super, super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly bronze with this ABH bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Just because I like a little bit of bronzer, and that's really gonna be it for today's look, because I'm going to school and I don't have time for a full beat. I feel like I'm late as it is. Alrighty guys, so this is what my face is currently looking like. For your reference, it is 8:42 in the morning, so I'm probably going to be back home around like 6 o'clock at night today. So I will show you guys what my face looks like. Like I said, this foundation does say it helps reduce shine, so I'm hoping that, you know, I don't get that oily throughout the day. I'll try to take some footage of my face around like 12 o'clock, just because it's like, I don't know, kind of like a halfway mark for you guys to see what I am looking like and if I'm oily or not. But as I said, this is definitely not like a full coverage type of powder foundation or anything. Like, this is more of like you're on the go, you trying to look cute, you want your face to look nice, but you don't want to put in a lot of effort. That's kind of how I'm reading this, and so far I do really like the way my face looks. Like, I think it looks nice and easy, no effort. I just woke up and said, yay, I'm out of bed. But we all know that didn't happen. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and hopefully this works out, because I really want something that's easy to work with in the mornings. Okay guys, so it is currently 5:36 p.m. This is what my face is looking like, and I am not upset. Like, I'm kind of feeling freaked out. So as you guys remember, I was trying the Too Faced Born This Way powder foundation. I did get it in the shade Chai, and this foundation, powder, whatever you want to call it, looks so darn good. Like, obviously I'm getting a little shiny in my T-zone and on my cheeks, like on my pores, but look at the bottom half of my face, just like nothing's going on. And Chai definitely was like the perfect shade for me. This did not oxidize or get red or anything throughout the day. I'm like in disbelief, because I honestly, I went into this review feeling very, very skeptical, just because obviously I'm used to just like reviewing foundations for you guys, liquids and all that good stuff, but I really, really did not expect this foundation to look this good. And honestly, this is my new everyday foundation, because it's so easy to put on. It doesn't make a mess. You just dip your brush, boom, bam, on your face. This is it. Like, I don't know what's in this, but Too Faced, I am pleasantly surprised. I did use the Fenty mattifying primer. If that was any help, then thank you, Fenty, as well. But overall, I think that this looks so, so good. There's like no cracking or anything going on. And like I said, like, I'm just like getting oily in the places where I normally would. But I can tell you that there are some other foundations that claim to be super full coverage, oil free, all that good stuff, and my face would not look like this by this time, because it has been like at least 8 hours and my face would not look this good. I am impressed. I won't say that this is transfer proof. They didn't say it was transfer proof, so I wouldn't say it's transfer proof. But for me, I personally, all my foundations transfer because I have oily skin. Once the oils start coming through, if I touch my face or something touches my face, it's bound to be the color of my foundation, and that's inevitable. But overall, guys, like, Too Faced definitely did that. This is magnificent. I'm so happy they extended the shades in these as well, because I don't think I ever had a shade in the Born This Way collection at all, and I'm so glad they did that. This looks phenomenal. Definitely a thumbs up, another thumbs up. If you are oily and you're looking for something easy to just slap on your face in the morning, look cute, effortless, this is it. This bad boy right here is a new favorite of mine. I cannot believe I've been sleeping on this powder for so long. This is amazing. I think I've said this is amazing too many times. With that being said, we're gonna end this video because your girl gotta study. I have an exam in 1.5 days and I need an A. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you've tried this powder out and you're oily, dry, whatever, please let me know down below in the comments, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What you waiting for? Because you get to see me. So subscribe, 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 as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _itsGilly, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm so excited to keep wearing this, like, you have no idea. I'll probably do an update in the comments about how it's been wearing all week, but this was amazing. I'm for real now. This is the end of the video. See you guys next time.